Okay, geometry, I'm going to go over the Unit 3, Lesson 1 formative. So we're supposed to match the picture here with the name of the relationship. All right, let's see. We've got, and these are relationships that you'll just need to memorize. Those are alternate exterior on the opposite side, alternating sides of the transversal, and on the outside or exterior of the two parallel lines. Now these are alternating, but they're interior angles. Alternate interior. These are not alternating. They're on the same side of the transversal. Those are consecutive. Now those are consecutive interior, but we talk about consecutive interior and consecutive exterior. And the last ones are corresponding. They correspond to the same place on those two parallel lines. Now let's see. Number 2, solve for x. These are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are congruent when the lines are parallel, which we are told that they are. So I'm going to go ahead and solve here. So you go ahead and solve the problem. You get x is 9. You type in just 9. Number 3, these are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent when the lines are parallel. So you'll set them equal to each other. There's the geometry. I'm going to pause and do the algebra. Solve the equation. You get x equals 7. You type in just the number 7. And the last one, number 4. These angles are consecutive. Consecutive angles these are consecutive interior angles, and they are supplementary. They are not equal. So that means when you write your equation, and this is the geometry, and this is the important part, they don't add up. They don't equal to each other. They add up to 180. So I'm going to press pause and finish that. So we get x equals 12, and there's your answer. And there's a short video for you. Peace out.